Good day mga ka-RX! Welcome back to my channel, and today tuturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-inflate ng inyong Dominar 400 just in case na mapalatan kayo sa daan. Okay, and bago natin ito simulan, just make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit like and share. Huwag niyo po kakalimutan yan.
A few moments later.
Napako. Ang haba.
Ayan o. Ganito kasi palaki muna ng konting butas para may ilagay mo ito.
A few moments later.
Pagka paluluwagin natin ang gusto. Strip. Kita. Walang takip to. Wala, no?
Wala.
Kakaiba to ah. Kasi lalagyan mo siya ng cement para kumapit yung strip. Salamat.
Thank you.
Tapos lalagyan natin ng glue. Lakas. Yan yung pinaka-cement niyan eh. Para siya kumapit sa pinaka-rubber. Ang hirap pa naman ng kondisyon ng kamay ko, nagpapawis. Bakit ang tatakip ko rito? Walang takip eh. Napakagara na may binilang ko. Sapat na kaya?
Years later.
So maraming salamat sa inyong panonood mga Car-X. For today, nakumpleto na natin kung paano i-inflate ang ating Dominar 400. Okay, later, papasyal ko naman kayo sa isang popular na lugar dito sa Paete, Laguna at yan ang tatlong cruise. Okay, and bago nga pala natin tapusin ang ating tutorial, shoutout nga pala kay LGC Bongo na masugid nating nanonood at natututo para sa ating mga tutorial para sa Dominar 400. Okay?
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. as you fade away. As you fade away.
RXN 2000. Okay, so salamat sa inyong panonood mga RX.
No, 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 no.
And bago nga pala matapos ang ating shoutout,
Ginagawa mo.